My family don't see me more, that's growing up. And now they calling me C4, I'm blowing up. So if we sitting on seesaws, we going up. Some people get going, but I love it when the going's tough. Too young to know enough, too old to play the part. Too cool for showing up, too dumb to say what's smart. So I'm a substitute, waiting for the game to start. But I ain't trying to get played like change your heart. Chuck Woolery, I host and rip the stage apart. And hopefully you're willing to admit that I have made my mark. And may I park and find me another ride. I'm letting Florence tell you how I feel inside. Hello world, nice to meet you, I am Corey Matthews. People wanna say that I've been blessed like at you. So now I'm using my attitude just to act rude. Not a bad dude, got me covered up like tattoos. So where I'm at, moved away from home, where these people that are known wanna come and how I've grown. And they offer their opinion on my life and how it's gone. All the while I am piloting a road elsewhere, and I don't need no help there. Reaching in my pocket like I needed the welfare. Can't stand the heat, get out or I'll melt there. They say we'll never get it like healthcare, but I'm feeling great.